If this guide is helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. How to watch Spanish channels on YouTube TV. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access Spanish channels on YouTube TV. Whether you're looking to enjoy live sports, news, or telenovelas in Spanish, YouTube TV has plenty to offer. First, you'll need a YouTube TV subscription. If you're not already subscribed, head to youtube.com and sign up for an account. Once you have your subscription set up, sign into your account on your preferred device. Next, navigate to the settings. On the YouTube TV homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once in the Settings menu, find the Membership section. Here, you can manage your add-ons. Look for the Spanish Plus add-on, which provides access to a variety of Spanish-language channels. Click Add or Subscribe next to Spanish Plus to include it in your membership. You may need to confirm your subscription and accept any additional charges. Once the add-on is activated, you can explore the Spanish channels. Go back to the YouTube TV homepage and click on Live or Library to explore what's currently airing in Spanish. Dive into networks like Univision, Telemundo, and ESPN Deportes, among others. You can also use the search bar at the top of the YouTube TV interface to find specific programs or channels in Spanish. Try searching for popular shows or news channels to quickly find your favorites. Lastly, don't forget to customize your channel lineup to keep your preferred Spanish channels easily accessible. In the settings, go to Live Guide and arrange the channels in your desired order. And that's it. You can now enjoy all the Spanish content YouTube TV has to offer.